Okay, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my live stream. Sorry I'm a bit late, a couple minutes late, 5 minutes late. Just had to sort out a couple things, but let's look at the market today and see what's going on. Right now, you can see we have really weak currencies at the moment. Is something we're gonna look at, especially AUD. AUD is weak across the board. New York USD is starting to pick up the pace. We saw yesterday that USD was pretty weak. I was still looking for sells on gold, and we actually are going to talk about gold. What went with gold? What happened yesterday? If you were following my trade, you will know what happened. But we can have a look and see what happened with gold. But as you can see, GBP's it's a little bit weak, but I feel like it'll catch up again later on today. JPY is doing really well today. JPY is definitely taking the upwards trend and continued with a lot of buyers. And Euro is a bit mixed as well. Something that I want to have a look at as well. Euro USD. I want to see which one's getting stronger. As you can see, Euro is definitely a little bit weaker than USD at the moment, but USD on the ball is doing all right. Okay, so we want to see what's going on. I feel like USD is pretty strong today. This morning, sorry. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at my trade. So this is what happened yesterday. Okay, so I did get closed out of my position. I did lose a little bit of money. I think it was. I'll have a look for you lot right now. It was £8 something. So yeah, I did lose £8.91, which did set my account back to like 132. I think it was 130 something, £33, something like that. And because I was so strong that gold's going down, I actually re-entered after like I think a couple hours, and I re-entered at one of these wicks. On the 15 minutes, it was actually a really bad entry, but on the 1 hour, it looked all right. It looked pretty good. I think it entered near my stop loss. So my entry was, I'm just gonna get the coordinates of the entry just to have a look, and then we could talk about why I entered as well. So 7977, so 177977. It wasn't one of the best entries. So only reason I entered was because I knew that gold will be going down. I was actually pretty confident at it as well. So yeah, that was my entry right there. And obviously I have my stop loss up here. I think I entered more to like around here, around 4 o'clock-ish. Again, price kept going up and down. It was really weird. I did not know what exactly is happening with gold. But as you can see right now, we're on a 91 pip profit right now, doing pretty well. Almost at my first take profit. Definitely want to see, this is 1 to 5 ratio as well. My stop loss was, yeah, somewhere around here actually. It was a tight stop loss. I didn't want to lose too much money, but like I said yesterday, is I wanted to hit sells on gold. Now, if I did get stopped out, I was looking for a re-entry. As you can see, I did re-enter around my key level, so it wasn't against my trading plan. It wasn't against something that I just wanted to risk my money and everything. I did follow, waiting for that key level. It hit my key level, and now we're waiting for it to go down. Now at the moment, I'm seeing it could form a double bottom around over here or at my key level, but we actually are seeing around almost 100 pips profit. So that's pretty good in the trade. My account is actually on like £153 now, so that's pretty good. If just to show you lot, I don't know if you could see that, but we are in profit. So we're just so what I'm gonna do now is, and I've also put my stop loss in break even, so that's also not too bad. So just literally just put my stop loss on break even, and then Now I can relax, to be honest. I can just relax. I want to look at other trades today. Um today's what's it called? It's Tuesday. So I do want to look at other trades. I do want to see what is going on in the market, especially Euro USD, AED USD, and GBP JPY. Those are the currencies I want to really look at today. Maybe even potentially hold a trade. So let's have a look at Euro USD today. Um we can see we were in a downtrend uh, on the 50-minute chart. So we can see, Euro USD is definitely getting much stronger now, pushing through. We were at that little small upwards trend, broke out, retested, and now we're going downwards again. So could we see a potential entry at Euro USD? I don't know yet. I don't really have that many good key levels at Euro USD. I think what I'm going to do is I might not trade this week with Euro USD. I just need to really mark up my charts maybe tonight or something, and then just understand what's going on with price. I haven't actually seen USD since this time last week, so definitely want to, but I do want to hit some trades. We are missing out on a couple pips as well on that, but AD USD looks like it's going to be moving to the downside as well. um I was waiting for a retest around here. Or okay, so we did see some sort of retest of it. Let's see my Fibonacci, if it's at one of my Fibonacci levels, because if it is, we could definitely try and see if we can hop on to the trend. So yeah, it looks like it hasn't hit a specific level. Maybe we're just seeing a little retracement to the downside. Maybe we're going back up again. Let's have a look that way as well. Let's see if we could do the upwards motion. Oops. Sometimes you do have to look at both sides. You might just see a retracement. I don't know why. Might see a retracement and then you're looking at the wrong direction. As you can see, we are on an upwards trend. Minor hasn't really broken too much structure yet though. But okay. So yeah, we'll see what price does at the 78 extension. If it just breaks through that, we are going to the downside, and we're continuing to the downside. Let's look at GBP JPY. We did see some sort of consolidation the other day here. We saw that breakout retest. I really wanted to enter. Could have entered at 10 p.m. At 10 a.m. Missed the entry, but JPY is also looking very, very strong. I feel like we are definitely seeing price going down to 151,500. Only because that's the previous low. It looks more realistic for it to do that. I wouldn't really. We're on a continuation of a downtrend. I feel like price is definitely going to fill that gap as well and just continue to the downside. But it's definitely going to retest the 152, 151, 500 area. I don't want to give specific uh, areas. We did have consolidation at that area as well, so we could definitely see JPY picking up the pace, GBP losing. However, we do have, I think on the 19th of July, we have a announcement saying lockdown could be over or lockdown could be extended. If lockdown does get extended, I'm definitely seeing JPY getting stronger. But if lockdown doesn't get extended and we ease in lockdown, we definitely could see GBP getting much stronger, picking up the pace. A lot of institutions are buying GBP now. Trades are getting in, import exports getting much more easier now. So definitely seeing GBP getting much more stronger. But let's have a look at the calendar today and see if we're missing out on anything, or if there's any sort of big news that we could definitely you know use as an advantage, or just looking at if there's anything that could change my trade. So what are we on today? We're on Tuesday 29th. Nothing at the moment. It's just Italian bank holiday at the moment, so euro definitely going to be moving slow. If you are in a euro trade, again, euro is definitely moving slow, so don't expect any big moves with euro. GBP not doing anything crazy today. I think USD, we got the consumer confidence at hold on. I'm gonna be back. Just got someone calling me. Just gonna check who that is. Sorry about that, guys. I normally have my phone on D&D, but for some reason this looked like an important call. But it was something minor. Just checking at the so yeah, USD looks like we got some sort of news at 3 p.m. So definitely check that out at 3 p.m. Check out what's USD doing. Nothing that could actually make a huge significance to USD. I don't think it'll make it USD weaker anyhow. But yeah, definitely have a look at what USD is doing. Let's look at GJ again. So right now, yeah, GJ is moving to the downside. So if you're in a sell with GJ, that's a really good sell. Definitely gonna look for more entries with GJ. Gold's doing really well. I feel like we've come out of that consolidation box. I know my chart does look a little bit too messy. We've got a load of key levels, especially when there's consolidation. It's really important to have key levels here and there. So yeah, we've had really strong bearish 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish candlesticks. So definitely, and we've broken out of this low. So definitely seeing price doing something crazy to the downside. I actually don't have a take profit in my trade. Only reason this is because yesterday I wasn't looking at TraderView. I was actually outside when I got notified that stop loss got hit. Again, this is where looking at setting alerts. Setting alerts very important. That's when you want to set alerts as well. So set alerts. Let yourself know that okay, price has hit my stop loss or price has hit my take profit. So you can go recheck what the market's doing. Maybe even potentially having another trade, or just seeing what price has done to your stop loss. Maybe even entering again. So it's literally up to you what you want to do with the alerts. Like for example, I have alert on taper profit 1. Maybe price might just reject at taper profit 1, and then I've lost a little bit of profit. But again, we don't want to take chances. We want to just close our trade with the alerts as well. So make sure you do set alerts. It's very important to set an alerts. People were saying 1700 is a good place to have a take profit, but holding a trade for that long it doesn't seem realistic for me. Obviously, I will. If 1700 is a target, I'll definitely just keep placing trades. We did, but however, we did see some sort of downwards push again. I really wished I didn't enter those kind of trades, but hopefully NFP. I think NFP is next week, guys. So NFP can definitely show us what's going on. I feel like NFP will be just a retest to this consolidation box. I don't think it'll be anything too crazy. But again, you just want to make sure you are watching the charts at a time. NFP will be at a time where it's at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, sorry, 2 o'clock. So I wouldn't be on a live stream, but we can definitely set up for NFP. So make sure you are watching that live stream and definitely showing some giving me some ideas with NFP as well. So at the moment we're just waiting for gold to go downwards, maybe even potentially just seeing any more moves. I might even place another trade just only because it looks like I should have placed another trade at this dip. But it's fine though. It's fine. If this breaks this low, we're doing pretty well. I just wanna hope that it does. If it ends on a reversal, we are definitely looking for price going upwards again. I might end the trade just there, 100 pips, which is not too bad. Holding for 100 pips is definitely a good target for a daily range. You don't want to target too much. Whoever held the trade from up here at 1790, you're doing really good with your trades. I think that's already 300 pips. So if you entered at 1790 and where price is at right now, around 200 pips, done really well. So that's a good trade to look at. So at the moment, really, we're just waiting. Again, normally Mondays and Tuesdays are a bit more slower than usual, only because it's start of the week. There's not really big moves, especially I'm trying to focus on gold. So we did hit a big move in the morning. Now I feel like just before New York opens, we are gonna see some sort of slow moves. Really and truly, it doesn't it's not something I'm too fussed about. I'm not that fussed about the whole, what's it called, slow movements. It's good for me, especially we're in a decent amount of profit. So it's not something that I'm like, oh man, I need to trade. It's better when it moves slow. When market moves slow is a nice place to enter. Again, buying when it goes up. Over here could have bought another, could have sold again, could have sold here again. So if you're looking for sells, selling around these little, I wouldn't call them dips because they're not dipping down. They're kind of like a little pullback. Every time it pulls back, especially a retested a consolidation box. So let's see what it does around this consolidation box. But yeah, if you're looking at any charts, make sure you do let me know in the comments. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Also follow my Instagram. Watch my latest video we uploaded yesterday. You lot did good numbers too on the first day. It's really good. Hasn't even been a whole 24 hours yet, but you lot have done a really good job with that video. I think that's doing really well so far. So keep sharing the video. It's literally, if we're talking about if Forex is rigged, we're talking about brokers, we're talking about just literally scams, everything you need to know about Forex. If you're feeling unsure about Forex, if you feel like brokers are taking a little bit of your money, watch that video. It will fully explain what it is all about. I'm not going to say too much, but yeah, watch the video, share the video as well if you like it. It's top quality video, guys. And then obviously share the live streams as well. Let everyone know that we are live streaming on YouTube every single day, Monday to Friday, 11:30 to 1 p.m. This is UK timing, so I don't know what time that is in US, but it's definitely early morning for you lot. But yeah, right now, I could see some sort of like W formation. Oops. Or with this trade, like a little W formation, double bottom. So let's have a look. What I like to do sometimes is just check, a little fib. So yeah, what it's done is went to my 38 extension and then dropped. So we can definitely see some sort of drop, and yeah, it's hitting my take profit. So that was the little retracement. I feel like if it does go up, it's probably gonna hit the 61 extension. That is my 75 key level. So definitely have a look at 1775. If you want to hop on a gold trade, it could hit that level. It can. If it does hit that level, I'm going for another sell again. That's just perfect for me. But it's just hopefully we can get another entry on the live stream. That'll be really good. I know my charts are looking a little bit messy today. Only reason is because we had a consolidation. Had to make sure I got my supports, I got my key levels already. If you think about it, every key level that I got over here, it is like 50 pips apart, so it really just breaks down the trade really easily, really quickly. So right now I'm just waiting for we could see a little pullback with gold to 1775, and then obviously I want to hit more sells, or price could just drop to my key level now. So literally just waiting. But yeah, just literally just waiting for this. I know market is moving a bit slow today. Make sure you like the video as well. If you have any sort of new currencies that I should look at, cryptocurrencies that I should look at. Cryptocurrencies are a bit more different. I have been hearing that Bitcoin is dropping as well. Do I have any investments in crypto? I do have a little bit of investments in crypto still. I haven't fully taken out my money in crypto. I'm looking at ADA. ADA is something I'm holding on heavily at the moment, so definitely check that out. I'm not telling you to invest in it, just something that I'm personally invested into, just for a couple months really, or not for any long term. I'm not in crypto for long term, just there for short term. Not looking to do anything like crazy to the to crypto. I already had my little crypto pump and dump, so yeah, nothing else. But yeah, price is definitely moving much slower now. Reason for this is people must have sold over here, taken their profits over here, and now they're checking if anyone else is still trying to buy around here. If people do try buy around here, we are definitely seeing a retest, but I think banks and feds will definitely bring it all the way down. It's just something that something we just gotta wait and see. But yeah, I feel like price could potentially just break out of this little fib. It did really nice at that 30 extension, so I feel like it would definitely break out. Just gonna look at the hour quickly, because we're 1 minute, literally 1 minute until the hour closes. So yeah, 30 extension, definitely gonna see some sort of downwards push now. It just makes more sense for it to do that. But yeah, how's everyone's trading gone this week though? How was your Monday? Let me know. I definitely want to know how you lots have been. Again, if you are, what's it called, trading, if you do watch my videos, send me some of your profits. I am gonna start doing shout outs. Not anytime soon, but definitely will start doing shout outs as well. Only reason for me to do shout outs is just to show the community as well that we are hitting good trades. especially if there's a trade that I'm in as well. Perfect as well. Just showing that you all are learning as well. I think when I first started YouTube, a lot of you were sending it to my Snapchat. Send it to my Instagram now, Mullafx. It just makes it more easier for me, so I can see who's messaging me as well. Whereas Snapchat like I can't get through so many of you lot. So yeah, just DM me, much more easier. I'm a bit more active on DMs as well. So yeah, just DM me and I'll try to get back to you as well. If you have any other questions as well, make sure you let me know. It's very important to, like, to ask people. Don't be shy. If you're just saying, my entry is not good, even though I've done an entry video, if you ask me, my entries are not good, I'll try and help you lot out as well with the entry videos. So, but with gold so far, we've done really, really well. We did have one loss with gold, but yesterday, but we did come back. The loss minor, not for something that I'm like, okay, I've hit back again. So you just got to adjust to the market. You just got to adjust to the losses that you have. Took an £8 loss. Now I'm in a 20 to £30 profit. So do the maths and see. It just put me back a third of a trade. So again, if you're new to the live stream, subscribe, like the video, join the community. We're the best upcoming channel for Forex, so especially in the UK. So let's just keep pushing this channel. I think we've got some good people, good newcomers. Yesterday's live stream, I think we had like 3 new subscribers. So welcome to the community, welcome to the channel. Hope you lot watch every single video, like it as well, and just enjoy your time here. Keep sharing it as well. We should get more subscribers, building the community. Like I said yesterday, I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of August. So let's try and get that. Let's try and get that goal hit. But yeah, I think right now, the pullback for gold has happened. Definitely just waiting for gold to just drop. It's been the hourly closed, and I feel like we're just about to break the hour wicks. So let's hope that we can do that. Trade's really, really nice. I was always on a sell. I was confident for the sell, so I just wanted to hit the sell. Accounts on almost 160, so we are £90 away from our goal. So what I did was I set a weekly goal. I want to hit £250 in this account. So if this account can hit 250, that'd be really, really good. It's just a goal that I'm just trying to get to. If this trade does hit, I think this trade, what's the pip count? So around 200. So this will be around 40-50 pounds profit. What that means is 40-50 pound profit, and we're at, okay, so that will put my account in a 170, 180. So that'll make it much more easy, 70-80 pounds left to then hit and we're only on a Tuesday, so we're doing pretty well. But let's just hope that this trade actually goes well. If it does go up, I'm gonna definitely enter again. If it does go higher, if it goes to the 75, definitely gonna go and place another trade, because 75 is a really good support level, really good. If you can't see that, I'll even draw that in for you lot. It's a really good support level. Just over here, you'll see. I do not know why it just repeated my fib, but yeah, it's a really good support level here. So that's just the two, 90 and 75. I just feel like every time I hit here, either buy or sell. When you buy and sell, you got a nice 100 pips or 150 pips. Drop 150 pips. Again, buying 150 pips, dropped 150. You could have easily, it just keeps rebounding. You could have easily placed trades. Again, we're starting to see, lower lows. So it's definitely something that we can see in the see that we're going on the downtrend now, downside. If it breaks this new low, that's fantastic for us. You know, we can definitely hit another trade. You know, looking for that retest at the 60 level, 1760, around this area, looking for the retest and re-entering the trade. So definitely looking to what's it called? To buy. Sorry, sell. Definitely ready to sell. Just keep selling. Just check it if I got any. Okay. Just now waiting. Right now is a bit confused. I feel like gold's a bit confused. It doesn't know. A lot of USD buyers or sellers don't know what to do. I feel like they just need to all sell. It makes more sense. It makes more sense to sell. Again, even in these trades, I got wigged out. That's all it was. I just got wigged out. In the previous trade, so it was going on the downside anyways. It didn't go above the 78. If it went above the 78, I wouldn't even bother trading a sell, but it didn't. I just got wigged out, you know, going back to the 50 extension. I said, okay, cool, it makes sense for me to just place another trade on a sell. But yeah, it looks like it could form a double bottom here. Hopefully it just breaks. We still got 8 more minutes left. We're literally getting like 155 to 160, 150. It keeps just ranging from there. So just waiting for that one last push. If it does go up again, I am looking to sell again at 75. So let's just hope it does do that. We can maximize our profits. If it doesn't do that, we're still hitting profits. It's a win-win. So not something that we are afraid to do. But yeah, just waiting for that. Just checking out my if there's any other trades as well. But again, yeah, if you're new to the channel, I'm just literally all I'm doing right now is just waiting for price to do something. If it does go up, like I said, 75, I want to trade. I know today is going to be much more slower. It's Tuesday. Market's done its move. It's going to be much slower than usual. Not looking to see, definitely won't see any more trades. So yeah, just literally waiting. Hopefully we can get a move. So and this is how a trader. Sometimes a trader, normally I've got other things to do as well. But normally if I'm just trading, I would literally I wouldn't sit here. I'll probably just do something else. I've got more research to do, or just even got a couple other things that I'm doing as well behind the scenes. So I'll be doing that more. But live stream, I think next week I'm gonna be vlogging my live streams as well. I've got something coming up, so I'm gonna be vlogging the live streams as well. So when you see the live stream, I think it's either next week or the following week. But when you see a live stream, you actually see a upload after the live stream as well, around the evening time, just a vlog for the day. You'll just see that happening because we have something going on behind the scenes. I could go crazy and upload it next week, like vlog it that evening, but I don't know if I got enough time for that, but we'll have a look. But yeah, at the moment, market is just moving slower than usual. All I'm doing is I'm trying to right now what I'm doing is I'm just looking at other currencies, seeing if there's any other moves. Again, I don't know why. I think we've got like scammers calling me or something. Shall I answer it from the live? Let's have a look. Look, I'll answer it and you'll just end it. See, look, it just ends it. I don't know why these people are wasting their time. But I think these scammers just keep calling me. If they call me again, I'll put on loudspeaker and we'll try to speak to them. Maybe even get like a live live scam call on this live stream. But I don't know why it keeps happening. It's like the fifth time they've called. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6 times they've called. But it's in different numbers though. But the first three numbers, okay, so the last three numbers are different. But the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the first 7 numbers are the same. So I don't know if it's the same guy or the same person. Definitely weird. Just keeps calling me. But yeah. Also, right now, wait a minute. I've got something going on. So I've been having some problems as well with this chart. I don't know why. Can't really see anything, but yeah, we've seen a really strong downwards push to the downside today. So definitely want to see what's going on. Sorry about not being too active on the live stream today. It's it's just the markets. I've already entered the market. There's nothing really else. Okay, yeah, we're definitely seeing a downwards push now. But yeah, nothing really else that is going on in the market today. It's Tuesday. It's moving really slow. Right now I'm on a sell on gold. Doing really well. Accounts at 160. I will change it on the top of the screen, but yeah, accounts at 160. Slowly, beautifully growing this account. If you're new to the live stream, subscribe, like as well, join the community. Yesterday we had 3 new subscribers. Welcome to the team, welcome to the community, to the winning side. I'm trying to grow my account. Like I said, I'm trying to grow it to 1,000 by end of August, so let's see if we can hit that. But yeah, we're definitely seeing a downward push now. Very good. Yep, there we go. Counts at 162 now. So yeah, that's a really good downward push. There we go. Finally kicking in. Finally seeing some action. Definitely. Okay, there we go. It's hit my. So I got an alert on my phone. Hit my first TP. Haven't closed the trade. We're gonna see what it does at this TP, and then if it just rejects, if it just goes back up, we'll definitely close it. Close the trade. But yeah, we definitely see the huge push to the downside right now. That is really good. But yeah, right now I'm just in that same trade. Where's your TP at? So my take profit right now is my take profit. So right now, actually on my trade, I don't have a take profit, but I have alerts. So firstly, my alert is just hit my -27 extension. If you haven't seen my Fibonacci video, go check it out. It's changed the game. The Fibonacci, that the way I use it has changed the game. But my take profit is actually at 1760. Reasons why it's at 1760 is because that's where the previous low was. If I just go to the 1 hour, you will see I feel like price can go down to this previous low, and is my key level. So I work in key levels, so I want to aim for that key level. Obviously, it might just wick it, it might break it and just continue down to the downside. What I'll do is once it's hit that take profit, I'll just wait for a retest. If it does smash my take profit, wait for that retest and then re-enter. People were saying, on the last live yesterday, people were saying that price could go to 1700. Now, I'm a day trader. I'm not trying to hold my trade for too long. I've held this trade since yesterday, 4 o'clock, so almost been 24 hours, and I don't want to hold my trade for too long where I'm getting too many charges and stuff. But at the moment we're growing this account, so I started at £50 and we've grown our account to £163 now, so that's really good. Trying to aim to grow my account to £250 by the end of this week. I could really do that in a day. Breaking through risk management, not caring about stop losses. But again, I'm here to show you lot that you can trade, risking maybe 10% of your account, or risking a small margin amount of your account, and growing it in the space of maybe a week or two, or even 3-4 weeks. At the end of a month, we should see this account hit 1,000 or 2,000, hitting the 4 or 5 figures. So let's see if we can do that. Just something that I'm doing a live stream as well, so you can see exactly what trades. I try and place my trades in this live stream, but sometimes out of the live stream there are really good entries and then I explain it the next day. But I'm very transparent. We're on a real account as well, so no fakes, none of that as well. So if you're new to the live stream as well, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like as well, like the video. Trying to grow my channel as well, trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of August, so let's try and hit that. But yeah, right now it looked like it is It looks like if this candlestick closes, so we got another 39 minutes till this candlestick closes. It looks like if this candlestick closes strong, we could go and see a 1760. And let's see, we got another 9 minutes on that 15-minute candlestick. So let's see what happens. Well, yeah, right now, welcome whoever subscribed. Thank you. Welcome to the community. Welcome to the team. Keep sharing this live stream. Share it to everyone else as well. I don't think any young person, 19-year-old, I'm 19 years old, taking up day trading as my only source of income at the moment. Obviously, I've got sources of income behind the scenes as well, but mainly focused as a day trader. So I'm a young day trader as well in the UK. So I'm trying to just document it, show people that you don't have to be, yeah, especially in the lockdown in Corona and the pandemic. We did a lot of people just sat around, did nothing. Um, Trading took up a huge pace in my career. Took became very very quick. So make sure you join the community and see how the lifestyle grows. When lockdown's over, trying to get a trip out abroad, trying to go out. Maybe next month. Definitely looking to go to another country, vlog it as well. So yeah, join the community and you get to see all of that as well. I did upload a video yesterday, doing very good numbers. It's basically just me explaining, is Forex rigged? Is Forex trading rigged? Why am I getting charges with brokers? What brokers normally do to cheat if they're not FCA regulated? A lot of people do that. Scams. We have to be careful of scams, especially when you're a trader. You have to be very very careful with scams. Pump and dumps and all of that. So I've got a whole video on that. So make sure you check. We upload it on a weekly basis. The first episode got 10,000 views, so that's very very good. Let's keep it up and get to. I think that's on one of the other person's account, Adam's account. We got 10,000 views, so let's try and get this second episode to 10,000 views. Trying to get good likes as well. So make sure you like that as well. But yeah, right now we've seen a nice push to the downside in gold. If you are in a gold trade, or if, like I said, find an entry around here. If you did enter in here, nice move to the downside. Now you're barely in profit. Could have been a nice snipe entry as well. But yeah, just right now, just holding in this trade, trying to hit that take profit. Also, I am looking at GJ as well. So GJ, I want to hit a sell on GJ as well. Only reason is because it just makes more sense. I should have entered the sell round here. We did see some sort of consolidation, breakout, retesting. I really should have hit a sell round here. Obviously, targeting 153, but we missed on the opportunity. But it's fine though. It doesn't really matter. I'm definitely going to be looking at new entries. Maybe even looking at a price retest of 153 to go down to 152,500. So yeah, definitely trying to, if I just quickly do a key level at 152,500. Just so the way I trade, guys, is literally key level to key level. So these are like what, 50 pips difference. So you can see if I traded here, here hit 50 pips throughout the day. 50 pips in a day is not too bad. So definitely just trying to, that's why it's good to break down your charts. You don't want to just have random support and resistance, and then you're confused where your target can be, where you're confused where your entries are, you're confused where your stop losses are, right? So you want to make sure you know what's going on. I might set an alert at 153 just to let me know that price is there, so I can look for potential entries, maybe even potential buys or sells. Right now though, I am looking at sells with in GBP JPY. Again, I am in a sell in gold. So just I sold around over here. What happened yesterday was I sold around this area, had take profit, hit my take profit, hit my stop loss, and then I re-entered around 4 o'clock around here. It wasn't the best of entries, but I just wanted to enter the chart just so that I can catch the pips. I could have entered a bit later around 8 o'clock. Around here, got a really nice entry, stop loss tight. But to be honest, I could have put my what do you call it, my lot size is higher, but I chose not to do that. I want to be more control of my trades. I want to make sure that I don't go overboard with it. Right now we can see that it wicked my 27 extension, and then now it might be heading for a reversal. Again, like I said, price can reverse and then go back and retest the 75 extension, so that'd be a really nice place to enter a sell again. If it does do that, I will definitely leave the trade, wait for that what's it called, retracement to the 75, and then trade again. It's just something I don't mind waiting and seeing. Again, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like the video. I appreciate it a lot. Yeah, right now we're definitely seeing some sort of price movement. So we've got 3 more minutes until this what's it called, this candlestick closes. So let's have a look what it does. Hopefully it just smashes and it goes down to 1760. Again, my account's at 160, so even if I close it, still a good number of profit, good amount of profit. It would have been around 20-30 pound profit, so that's not too bad. Right now we are in 100 pips, 130 pips take profit, so that's not too bad as well. 130 pips in the space of 24 hours is a really good. Don't feel like 100 pips is minor. 100 pips is very good as a trader. To hit 100 pips in a day, I do for the past 5. So last week I hit 100 pips a day. Ending, so I got my portfolio here. Ending around 500 pips. Yeah, ending around so actually no, I did 3 days of 100 pips. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday was really slow days. So I traded on Monday and Tuesday, hit losses, 9 pip loss, 13 pip loss. But then Thursday was when price started to hit 33 pips take profit, 144 pips take profit. How much risk are you using for this account? So in this account, so it depends on me. So I'm trying to go for maximum 10%, risk of the whole account. Only reason is so what lot size are you using? Lot size I'm using for this trade is 0.03. Normally on a £100 account, if I'm trying to grow it aggressively, I would go on the higher lot size, 0.05, 0.07s, or even 0.1s. But with this account, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to show you that you don't have to hit £100 a day to show some growth, especially if you're a trader that you just started out trading, and even though you got bills to pay or you got things to pay for, this will help you understand, okay, this is what 0.03 does, this is what 0.02 does. So when I started with a £50 account, my trades were just 0.01s until I hit 70-80 pounds. Then I went more and I hit my 144 pips last week on gold. That's when I upped my my lot sizes to 0.02 and 0.03. And then if this what's it called, the account does get to like £200, then I will up my lot size as well. Even with this account, this trade I did, I was only risking £8. So if £8 was lost in this trade, it wouldn't affect my account too much. Again, a lot of people, what they do is they always want to see money flips. They always want to be aggressive with their trade, risk £30-40. Gaining a lot of money, yes, but can you afford that loss? Can you afford £20-30 loss? Whereas £8 loss for £40 gain makes more sense for me, especially for this account. Growing it, maximizing it as much as I can. I'm not going for any small trades, 10-15 pips. I know a lot of people hit 10 pips a day or 5 pips a day. I feel like as a trader, especially a day trader, that's very easy to do. So it's just something that me personally, I'm normally a trader that goes for 100, 200 pips and just holding the trade. So yeah, this right now it looks like it's trying to go upwards again. We'll see what the next candlestick does. If the next candlestick is strong bearish, we're definitely trying to hit the trade, hit the take profit. If it does go up again, I said price could go to 1775. I don't mind placing another trade. 1775. placing another trade, placing another sell, hitting that 1760 level. That's just more profit for me. So yeah, make sure if you're new to the channel, like the video, subscribe, join the community. I'm uploading every week, live streams every day, Monday to Friday, 11:30 till 1 o'clock p.m. This is UK time, so make sure you are um, in the live streams. We're hitting trades, either live trades or I'm in a trade and I'm basically trying to help you lot get into the trade. Also, I've got my own academy as well, where I'm, more in depth. I'm showing people more in depth of my academy. So in my academy, this is my academy right here. This is Mullafx academy.com, where I'm not logged in right now, but for free you get to see the currency heat map. You get to see me, turning £10 into £1,000. This is where I was more aggressive. This is where I was hitting more higher lot sizes. Watch that video. It definitely shows you how I traded basically, and you can see right here, and this is all live. I don't trade demo at all. I haven't traded demo in months, maybe even a year now. Only because demo, for me personally, I'm here to make money. Trading is one of my sources of income, so there's no reason for me to place demo trades for YouTube or for whoever, for trade for, I don't know, for Instagram or whatever, and then just showing people that you can make money. I'm trying to actually make money in trading as well. So yeah, I'm trying to be very transparent as well. That's why I started live streaming as well, only to let people know that even though people look at me and I'm very young, at 19 years old, trading and hitting these amount of figures, especially in a daily, in 24 hours, not many people can believe it. So how long have you been trading Forex? So I was so as soon as I turned 18, so I'm 19 right now. So as soon as I turned 18, I did start Forex with my own account. But before that, I was researching. So I was using my dad's account, well, under my dad's account, just trading slowly. Wasn't looking at it as something that I want to trade properly. I used to always think that trading will be more of my secondary source of income. I wasn't really into it until lockdown happened. When first lockdown happened, I went fully in, especially when I turned 18. I went fully into trading, and because I had a lot of knowledge before trading, before actually live trading in my own account, I started to realize, okay, yeah, I know how to trade now. And I put more money into trading, and it just grew very, very quickly. I did blow a lot of accounts though. I did blow a lot of accounts. I'm young. Greed did kick in. I didn't know psychology was a huge factor until a year ago, when I took trading much more seriously. So a year ago, I took trading. I started documenting my trades, using my portfolio management, making sure that I'm using the right risk. Not because normally, with trade, I had like 3-4 accounts where one account would hit 1,000, 2,000 pounds, and another account would lose 300-400 pounds, and so it just kept happening after a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So I wanted to be more control with my trades and actually take it long term. So I took day trading much more seriously, and then now here we are. We're rinsing out, especially gold. I've been trading gold specifically for more than a year now. So literally every single day of the year, I know it's bad. I normally do say don't trade every single day. But yeah, I do trade. I did trade gold every single, or not even trade, but I did back test, understand the market. I wouldn't say mastered gold, but I know at the back of my head the key levels. I know what price did, in last 2 years, what it did now, and what it's doing. I know that gold's in a downtrend, so that's why I specifically trade gold more. Again, it depends on you though. I do trade Euro USD, GBP, JPY, AD USD, and sometimes GBP USD as well. But again, it's not something that I think gold just it does well with my account as well. Growth, especially in a week. I think I did 120% growth, ROI in this account, so that's pretty good. Right now I'm fully focused on this account as well. Okay, so right now we can see, gold is looking like it's going back up again. I'm looking at the 1775. I want to see what it does at 1775. definitely want to look for another entry at 1775 as well. Again, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like this video as well, and let me know if you want to see any other currency pairs that we can analyze and see if we can find a move. For GJ, I'm looking at a sell. Again, I'm not trading it at the moment, but I have an alert on at 153. So once it retests this level here, one of my key levels, I might want to look for a sell. So definitely just waiting for that. Right now, well, I'm just strictly on gold. Definitely will see some sort of retest to 75. I feel like that is the time. If you did place a buy, yeah, look how quick that's going up. If you did place a buy on what's it called, gold right now to 75, you're doing really well. Again, my account, this trade is on break even, so I'm not even too fussed if it doesn't hit my profit and it just hits my stop loss. I doubt it would hit stop loss. That means it's breaking structure. That means it's looking like it's going up. Do I trade crypto? So with a small account, I wouldn't advise to trade crypto. With my bigger accounts, I did trade crypto, especially BTC USD. As you can see, I have it actually over here. I did trade. I don't know if I can show you my trade. Let's see if it's still there. But I did trade it. But it was very volatile. Very volatile. It is just something that I wouldn't want to trade again. Okay, yes. So it was. If I just keep going back, so it was and a lot of people. So yeah, here this is when I traded crypto. We're talking about 24th of March. From then I placed this trade. It was a really good profit, but again it was too volatile for me. I'm not really into the whole volatile markets. Yeah, it was really volatile. Really, it was a good trade though. You know, trading from channel to channel. I need to do more research on crypto. The way I see crypto is not long term. The way I see it is it's more of a short term gain right now, especially a lot of people are pumping and dumping. Big institutions are making the currency move much quicker than it should have. Once it's all regulated, once FCA regulates crypto, I think in the UK right now, Binance is getting banned. So in America, Texas, I know Binance is banned. So and I would definitely want to know what's going on with Binance in the UK. I feel like it could get banned properly. I don't know if they've actually done that. Let me know if they've banned Binance properly yet. But I know that they are banning Binance in the UK. And once once crypto is regulated and brokers are not taking change out of our pockets, that's when I'll probably start trading crypto more. I haven't actually put time into crypto as much. I might even do a video of when I did invest into crypto. So I didn't trade it, but I invested into crypto. Huge profits. I think it was 4,000-5,000% gains in a matter of 2-3 months. So it's crazy, especially but I do invest. I have one more investment, like I said at the beginning of this live, I do have one more investment in crypto, ADA. I have a large amount of money in ADA at the moment, so definitely something to look at. ADA. We've got 5 minutes till this candlestick closes. Then what I'm going to do is, if it does hit 75 again, I might just hit another sell. I want to see what it does at that 75 level though. It might just bounce. It might bounce off, but I'm ready to hit another sell. The other sell I'll do, again, I'm going to do a 0.05. So let me just show you. So we got it all ready. So short position on at 75. Stop loss, we could have it above this this high, but I'm gonna try and keep it a bit tighter. I don't wanna lose too much of my profit. Again, targeting 1760. So let's see what it does. Should I send alert? Let me send alert so it lets me know as well. Price is very close to there right now. If we have a look, if we extend our fib. Yeah, so 70, 75 is definitely a level I want to see what price does at that level. So yeah, if you're ready to, if you want to trade, I think right now would be a really good moment to trade. Trade the currency. Again, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of August. So please share, like, comment, and let's help this channel grow. I don't think anyone at my age, at 19, is doing live streams. I don't think anyone at my age is trading properly at Day Trader. That's making a commercial. So definitely show some support. Let's just grow this channel. So yeah, welcome to the new subscribers as well. Welcome to the community. We've just hit 220 subscribers. That's pretty good. I did start this channel on February, so we're doing really good growth as well. I'm ready for the sell. Waiting for price to. I really just wanted to. I want to see if does it just bounce. Should I go on the Should I go on the 5 minutes? I don't really go on the 5 minutes too much, but let's go on the 5 minutes. Let's have a look. Yeah, let's have a look. If it forms like some sort of reverse over here, candlestick, definitely would want to just trade from there. But yeah, just waiting, to be honest. Some sort of support here as well. But yeah, just waiting. Again, if you're trying to trade, what's it called, gold, right now would be a really nice time to sell. I'm gonna re-enter the trade chart. So right now I'm in profit. I'm gonna re-enter the chart again for a sell. We are here to short gold. So let's ride with the trend. If you're new to the live stream, welcome to the live stream. We are, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We are right now currently just selling gold at looking at 1775 key level, looking at it to sell there. But if it does reject at this 60.2 extension, definitely trying to sell there. So it really just depends on whatever the candlestick does. So yeah, just waiting now, slow game. But yeah, if you're trying to sell, if I do miss out on the opportunity to sell, doesn't really matter. I'm still in a trade, so I don't want to force any trades as well. But I know, like 20 minutes ago, I was like the market's moving slow, and then now market is flying. It's flying up against what we said it was gonna do. But I'm not. It hasn't intimidated me yet. Where price would intimidate me is, if I just quickly show you, is the 1780 level, or even the 1785 level. That's where price would intimidate me, because that means, did it fake me out? Did it fake me out with a breakout, or are we I don't know, looking at, did I not look at the chart properly? So it literally just depends. I will be ending the live stream soon as well. 15 more minutes left for this live stream to end. Again, I am looking to extend my live streams maybe to 2 p.m. just before New York opens. But let me know in the comments if you like these live streams, and if you want me to extend it. We can definitely extend it. Maybe not anytime soon, but definitely from like next week or the week after, we can extend it. But right now, live streams are 11:30 UK time AM to 13 o'clock or 1 o'clock PM. Just something that works best. My way of trading. I normally just like to trade before New York open, so then I can, be ahead of the game, catch maybe 30-40 pips before it does its move. So yeah, just 15 more minutes left, and we're gonna end the live stream. But hope you all enjoyed this live stream. Let me know if you want to see other currency pairs as well. Let me know if you want to see other charts, not only gold. I do look at other charts as well, but mainly this week I want to trade gold. I want to, just rinse out gold. Especially, I know a lot of traders love gold as well, so it just makes more sense for me to do gold. So yeah, we had a really good candlestick here. Definitely see if it wakes up. Come on, 75. Come on, guys. Let's all pump it to 75. And then again, I want to just do another sell, maximizing my profits. So let's have a look. Oh, slow gains though. Slow movements. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. share my content, like the videos. It means a lot to me, especially we're trying to grow this channel. This trying to get it to 1,000 by the end of August. So let's get that done. I know we're pretty far, but it can happen. It can be done. So let's do that. Right now I'm still confident that price could get to 75. If it doesn't, it doesn't matter. Try and hit your entries though. Try and get some entries in the chart. I'm ready. I'm ready. Look on my phone. I'm ready to hit another trade. So as soon as I get an alert, I'm gonna sell. Putting my stop loss at 77.1. So 77.1. So how much am I risking? So if this is 0.03, 24 pips. So 24 is £7 minor. For this account, it's nothing too major, nothing that would affect this account peakly. Again, we got another 15 more minutes until this live stream ends. So maybe you might, just before this live stream ends, I might extend it until I hit an entry again. Would you like me to extend the live stream a little bit and see me enter this trade, or will you lot be fine and you lot are watching the charts as well and you don't need to see me hit the trade as well? Let me know. We can do that. So right now we're just waiting, literally just waiting. Again, follow me on Instagram. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start shouting people out on my live streams with their profits. So you know, if you're making profit in trading, you want to get shouted out, message me or DM me, and you know, send me your profits, especially if it's a trade that I took as well. You know, we can definitely share the love and share it to everyone else. It doesn't have to, I don't have to have your name or anything on it, but yeah, just to show the appreciation as well to everyone. You know, everyone who's watching my live streams, hitting trades, and you know, I'm helping everyone out. I'm not gonna start it soon. I'm probably maybe by next week or the following week, just so that I can actually get it on the screen on the live stream as well. So literally now what I'm doing is just waiting for that 1775 level to get hit. Once it's got hit, definitely looking to trade again. So right now, do you lot want me to stay on until it hits that level? Let me know. We can definitely extend this live stream a little bit longer. Not too long though, maybe till like 1:30. Let me know. If you're new to this live stream, welcome to the live stream. Right now we're in a sell in gold. Right now we're currently looking for another sell. We've seen a really beautiful candlestick where it pushed up, and I'm saying that 1775 is a level that we could reach and hit another sell. So if you're ready to hit sells, or if you're ready to trade in gold, have a look at 1775, that key level. Definitely gonna wait and see what price does around that level. I've got an alert on, ready for it to hit. If you're new to this live stream, please like, comment, talk to me as well. Like and subscribe as well. Subscribe to the channel. So yeah, right now just waiting. This, I think this candlestick will definitely hit up. So we can definitely end. Just before we end the live stream, we can definitely see if this candlestick is really small, indecisive. Maybe one more push to the upside will be nice, and then sell again. This is just something that a lot of people have sold here. Hit profit. A lot of people have sold. So right now I think it's just testing the sellers. Do people want it to be sold? Do people want do people want the market to go down or up? Right now it's just testing them. It's definitely testing the sellers. So I don't have a big account. My account's not too big that I would make a huge difference. Even if you put £1 million into the market, it wouldn't make a huge difference to the market. Remember, trillions are getting invested into the market. So, you know, if you put £1 million in the market, it doesn't really make a huge difference. But yeah, right now just waiting for the pullback, waiting for price to hit 1775 key level. Once it does that, we are perfect for another beautiful sell. Again, looking at the hour candlestick, We've seen a really nice strong upwards push. Again, price could just go down again in the next like 10 minutes. It really just depends on what it's doing. It's definitely, I really hope that it goes to the 75 level. That'd be really, really nice. Hitting that 75 level, and then I could sell again. It'll be really, really, really good. More profits for us. That means my account, if I do get a sell and it hits the 1760, the account should go on to like £200. So right now my account's at like 160. I know I haven't changed on the top of the screen. That's only because I normally change it once I close my trades, so it's like secured profits. But right now my account's at 160 something. So we're comfortable. We're comfortable with the market right now. Remember, my win to reward ratio is always at 1 to 5. So this is 1 to 5, this is 1 to 6. So it's always high. So even if I I don't know, trade, let's say I hit 5 losses, that's only one trade that's just gone out of my out of like all the 5 trades that I've done since last week. So it's really, really minor. We can get that back. It's just one trade. So that's why I want to show you lot that risk management is something that you need to work on as a trader. Look, someone as young as me is pushing myself. These live streams are actually helping me as well with my risk management. I'm slowing down with my trades. Normally when it's just me, myself, and the markets, I am aggressive. I'm fully aggressive. But right now I'm not trying to be too aggressive. Yeah, I think right now, like I said, in the next 9 minutes, price could just drop down. Retested that box. Again, if I don't hit the sell, it really doesn't matter. I don't have you, or do you ever trade on the 1 minute time frame? So yes, when I first started trading gold, I was a full-on scalper, only because especially with a small account, it didn't make sense for me to trade on a 4 hours 15 minutes with a small account, especially if I'm starting an account at £10. There's no reason for me to be looking at the 4 hours, because 0.01 on a £10 account is, you're looking at 20-30 pips loss, which is affecting you're taking away 20-30% of your account. So yeah, I did look at the 1 minute, getting a cheeky 5 to 10 pips, growing that £10 account 30, 40, 50 pounds. Then from there I then started moving on. So I think it was 7-8 months ago when I started properly day trading gold, because I actually started to realize how gold moves. I started to realize what the market was doing, and where to place my stop loss. After in due time, I started realizing where to put stop losses, where to put my targets. And then especially Fibonacci helped a lot in my trading career. I don't use moving averages that much. I know I got 3 moving averages on my screen, but I actually don't use it in my trades. Only time I use it is when I don't know what price is doing, especially when it's consolidating. It helps you with your entries, but it isn't something that I don't really look at too tough. I don't look at moving averages. I'm literally just more price action, market structure, and fundamentals. Strongly, heavily on the fundamental news as well. Especially at 3 p.m. tonight, we have some sort of USD news going out, so it can affect. USD can get weaker, but I don't see it doing that anytime soon. 5 more minutes until this candlestick closes as well, and definitely see what this candlestick does. If this candlestick just drops down, that'll be amazing. Again, I wouldn't be able to place the trades, but yeah, right now that I think people are a bit confused, but the pink ones are downwards, so they're bearish candlesticks, and the purple ones are bullish. Only reason I change it is because looking at the markets too much, the green and red ones just kind of get boring, or the blue and red ones, whatever you lot have, it kind of gets boring, and then I just changed it. It makes it more interesting. So yeah, something that if you look at the charts too much, definitely change your candlesticks. It really helps. Especially, I went through a phase where I just blacked out my candlesticks. I don't want to see which one's bearish, which one's bullish, because a lot of people can become biased, and hit sells when it's not really a sell, it's actually a buy. So yeah, sometimes even blacking out your candlesticks can really help. So where I get my fundamental information. So there's a couple sites that I do use. At the beginning of these live streams, I do check it out. So Daily FX is something that I use. right now it's probably not going to load up because I haven't used it today. But daily effects is something I use. Forex Factory I use as well. On my academy, I actually explain each and every information, how to understand it as well. I've done a lot of uh, what would I say? I've done a lot of research on fundamental because I used to trade and I always used to get stopped out, or the market will move completely opposite to my trade, and this is all because of NFPs, because of inflation rates, or something's happening to the currency, and I would never know. So I went to fundamental news. I started looking at Forex Factory. Not only that, I use fundamental news can also, if you look at my academy, Mullafx.com, you will see this is all for free. This is obviously by TradingView, but I have a current currency heat map, which basically just, you don't even have to look at what's going on in the news. You can just look at, for example, USD to euro. USD is much stronger, or USD to GBP, much stronger. JPY is a little bit weaker, but JPY is doing strong across the whole board. So I wouldn't sell on JPY. I wouldn't I wouldn't sell any JPY actually. I would just constantly just keep buying long-term buys, daily buys, especially when a currency is this strong where it's just green across the whole board, especially throughout the whole day. Definitely look for buying that currency. Don't go against that. Again, NZD uh, is really weak, right? Really, really weak. Like NZD is doing very badly in the market. I wouldn't buy it at this moment of time. Okay, I wouldn't buy it right now. Obviously, you want to buy when the currency is weak, but not when it's this week where every other currency is overpowering it. Yeah, you wanna buy NZD when it starts to get a little bit more control. When it's for example, like I don't know, like GBP. GBP is mixed, right? You can buy it when it's dipping. You can buy it when it's a bit more weaker. But again, it just depends on the way you trade as well. But right now, looking at, we've got 2 more minutes until XAUUSD this kind of stick closes. Where else do I get my fundamental information from? Yahoo Finance, especially when it comes to stocks. If stocks get stronger, quick little tip: gold gets weaker. USD gets stronger. If your stocks are starting to get stronger, I recommend you to sell gold, because when USD is getting stronger, gold's getting weaker, right? So there's a little tip for you lot with the fundamentally. If how many of you are into stock investments as well? Let me know. If you're into stock investments, I can also add in a couple stocks onto my videos. I'm not really a heavy stock investor. I'm just reasons why I'm in stock investments, because I'm an investor. If I feel like a company does well, or if I feel like some companies need a bit of my not a bit of my investments, but I feel like it's going to do well in the long run, I definitely do invest into it. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well if you're new. I also have a little announcement coming out soon, maybe next year. If any of you lot have business ideas or anything, me and one of people on my team, we are looking to invest into people's businesses. So I don't know if you've ever watched Dragon's Den, Apprentice. I don't know in America, it's I can't remember what's it called, but something like that, but we're just doing on a smaller scale. So obviously we're not gonna do big 50,000-60,000 investments, but we're definitely looking to invest in small businesses, people who do not have the funds to invest, or even covering losses. That's what we're starting to do as well, where we cover people's losses. Check out our video, the latest video that we have. We actually have the information at the end of the video. I have information on that. We are giving a giveaway on where we're just covering people, because I know when I started trading, I didn't have a lot of capital on me. I started off with minimal capital. That's why I could master trading from £10. A lot of traders can't do that. A lot of traders can't actually use small accounts, where I've mastered going from small account to medium-sized accounts. And that's why if I had a small account now, I'll still be able to grow it, because I've been practicing for so long on a small account. But I know a lot of people don't have the equity for that, and they are looking to trade, I would love to, show appreciation and, put in some money for the community. Even if it's, I'm thinking of doing giveaways every Friday where, for traders that are watching my live stream and want to start investing into, trading, I'll just give you an account. Obviously, you can make an account. Up to you which broker. I don't want to take any referrals. I'm not into that whole scheme where, give me referrals. I'm not into that. Use your own broker. Make sure it's FCA regulated though, and I just give you a little bit of equity to trade. Only reason I'm doing this is because I know it's been tough, especially in the pandemic. So it just shows appreciation of me, giving as well. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. DM me anything you want, any ideas, or if you have any profits you want to show me, or if you are taking a couple losses, or you just need any motivation. I'm always there to give the motivation. I know it's tough sometimes, hitting multiple losses. So make sure you do subscribe, DM me on Instagram, Mullafx, and follow me there as well. And right now, I feel like I did miss out on the opportunity for the sell. But again, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end the live stream shortly. But I'm just gonna watch the comments. Watch the comments in. I normally on the live streams, what I do is at the end I publish this onto YouTube. So watch the comments. I might just comment something like, okay, price didn't hit 70.75, but heading to 17.60. Look for buy on the pullback. So make sure you do check the comments as well. Definitely will. So I'm gonna end the live stream. I'm gonna delete this. Or actually no, I'll just move it to here. So if it does hit this 70.75, just know in the back of your head I'm gonna sell. If it doesn't, it doesn't matter. Minor pullback. Then this was just a minor pullback. Missed out on a little opportunity. If you did sell, hopefully get a good trade from there as well. Make sure your stop losses are at a nice level, breathing level. And so yeah, hopefully we're targeting 17.60. Hopefully price can do that. If price doesn't, if price goes even further, we're looking at 17.55 as well. So yeah, just let's see what price does at 17.60 first, and then we'll let you know. So I hope you enjoyed this live stream. Make sure you check me out on my YouTube as well. Subscribe, like, comment, and also this live stream is definitely going to be on YouTube after. So if you missed anything out at the beginning, make sure you watch it and join the community, join the family, and I'll see you lot in tomorrow's live stream.